This is the first reference image I've got, and then this is the second. So they're roughly the same kind of style as these, and we'll make a couple of modifications as we go along. Okay, so before you start Maya, check what view you're in. So you can always tell what view you're in by looking down the very bottom here where my mouse is, where it says PRSP. That's perspective, so that's the actual 3D camera in Maya. So if you hold down Command, Apple on a Mac, or Alt on a PC, you can click and drag, and what you're doing is you're orbiting your camera around in 3D space. You roll on your mouse to zoom in and out. You push A to see all, so A on the keyboard will frame up everything. If you're working on one specific point, you can push F, but we'll use that as we go along. So Maya's got a couple of different modes they work in. There's a lot of tools in Maya, so they're broken off into sections. At any stage you can see which one you're working on by going up the top left hand corner here. You can see where it says polygons. If you click on this, you get a list. So whenever you change one of these, you'll notice the menu items at the very top change. So when I change the animation, I get different menus than if I'm in polygons or surfaces or dynamics. So if you ever turn on Maya and you're a bit freaked out because some of your stuff's gone missing, you don't know how to extrude, you might just be in the wrong mode. Okay, so for most of this tutorial, actually for all this tutorial, we'll be using polygon. Okay, so make sure this is set to polygon, because we're going to need to use mesh and edit mesh, these two menus, a lot. Okay, so